Hello learners, good morning to you. I am Shamsuzzaman Khan, lecturer in English, Shahid Noor Ali College, Kaliganj, Zinaida. You know, in the previous class I dealt with preposition. Today I will also deal with preposition. And preposition, you know, is very important in your grammar part. We cannot write or read something properly or we cannot understand any text without the idea of preposition. And we have already discussed the definition of preposition, kinds of preposition, and some uses of preposition. Suppose the use of on, use of in, and I would like to deal with some appropriate preposition. The prepositions which are fixed after a verb or any adjective or any part of speech. There are some prepositions which are fixed after some words. Suppose listen to. Listen to me. Usually to is used after listen in this sense. But in other cases the prepositions are not fixed, and prepositions have some meaning, and after the meaning, Bangla meaning, you can understand the role of the preposition in making the meaning. But here the verb has some meaning, but after using the preposition, appropriate preposition, the meaning does not change. That means it is fixed. It has no effect on the meaning of the sentence, Bangla meaning of the sentence. Suppose he is going to school. These two, she school যাচ্ছে. This A, to here indicates A in Bangla. But listen to me. Listen in Bangla শোনা, কানে শুনতে পাওয়া. So listen to me, আমার কথা শোনো. So শোনো, listen মানে শোনো. So this listen to me, this too has no specific meaning in Bangla, but it is fixed. Though it does not have any effect on the meaning of the sentence, but it is fixed, it must be used after listen. So listen to, belong to, look forward to, similar to, refer to, prefer to, adhere to, indifferent to. These type of prepositions are fixed, and these are called appropriate prepositions. Then of, we say of, but the correct pronunciation is of. So look at this appropriate preposition: on, off, aware of, beware of, devoid of, dull of, yes, conscious of, unconscious of, bereft of, subversive of, survival of, all of a sudden. We usually say all on a sudden, but it is not correct. If you consult Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, you will say all of a sudden. There is no all on a sudden, but we make mistakes and we use all on a sudden. Irrespective of, people from all walks of life, because of, or one of the. These of prepositions are fixed. Then on, depend on, rely on, take pity on, get on, put on. These are appropriate prepositions on. Then at, look at, into, burst into tears. Look down upon. Look down upon. Look down upon. Once upon a time. Then in. Take pride in. Take delight in. Bask in the sun. Then after, hanker after, run after, take after, look after, named after. Suppose this college is named after a famous person, Shahid Nur Ali Mia. Named after. So there are some, I have given the examples of some appropriate prepositions. So we have completed prepositions part, and in the next class I will be dealing with another grammatical item, completing sentences. So take preparations on completing sentences. It will be your homework, and then in the next class I will be dealing with completing sentences. So this we will do for the day. Thank you very much.